Walk through any vitamin aisle, and you'll probably see biotin everywhere. It's promoted in gummies, capsules, powders, and beauty supplements that promise healthier hair, stronger nails, and glowing skin. But does biotin actually deliver those results? The answer depends on something that many advertisements rarely mention: whether your body actually needs more biotin in the first place. Understanding how biotin works helps separate realistic expectations from marketing claims. Let's start with what biotin actually is. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is a water-soluble vitamin that helps the body convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy. It also plays an important role in normal cellular function. Because skin cells, hair follicles, and nail cells are constantly growing and renewing themselves, they depend on many nutrients, including biotin, to function normally. That doesn't automatically mean more biotin produces better results. Like many vitamins, biotin works best when the body has enough, not necessarily when it has much more than it needs. This is where an important misconception begins. Many people assume that because biotin deficiency can affect the skin, hair, and nails, taking extra biotin must improve these tissues in everyone. Human biology doesn't work that way. Biotin deficiency is actually uncommon in healthy adults who eat a balanced diet. Most people obtain adequate amounts from foods such as eggs, fish, meat, nuts, seeds, dairy products, and certain vegetables. When biotin intake is sufficient, the body already has what it needs to support its normal biological functions. Researchers have clearly documented that people with true biotin deficiency may experience symptoms such as thinning hair, skin changes, or brittle nails. Correcting the deficiency often improves these symptoms because the body is receiving the nutrient it was missing. However, this is very different from taking large amounts of biotin when no deficiency exists. Scientific studies examining biotin supplementation in healthy individuals have produced much more limited evidence. Some people report personal improvements. Others notice little or no visible change. Researchers continue studying which groups may benefit most, but current evidence does not support the idea that biotin acts as a universal beauty vitamin for everyone. Another reason expectations become unrealistic is that healthy skin, hair, and nails depend on many biological systems working together. Protein supplies amino acids needed to build structural tissues. Iron helps transport oxygen. Vitamin C contributes to normal collagen formation. Zinc participates in normal cell growth. Healthy fats support skin barrier function. Adequate sleep allows tissue repair. Good circulation helps deliver nutrients throughout the body. Stress management supports overall wellness. Biotin represents only one small part of this much larger system. Think about building a house. One strong beam is important. But the house also needs a foundation, walls, plumbing, electrical wiring, insulation, and a roof. Adding more beams cannot compensate for missing foundations. Healthy skin, hair, and nails work the same way. No single nutrient controls the entire system. Another important consideration is time. Hair grows slowly. Nails grow gradually. Skin renews itself over several weeks. Even when nutritional support is appropriate, visible changes usually develop over months rather than days. This explains why scientific studies often evaluate nutritional interventions over long periods instead of expecting immediate results. Researchers also continue studying supplements that combine biotin with other nutrients involved in healthy skin maintenance, including collagen peptides, vitamin C, antioxidants, zinc, and other vitamins. Different formulations contain different ingredients, making comparisons difficult. Scientific evidence continues evolving, and individual ingredients are supported by different levels of research. Another point many people overlook is overall nutrition. If someone eats a diet lacking sufficient protein or other essential nutrients, adding one vitamin alone may not address the underlying nutritional imbalance. Balanced nutrition remains the foundation. Supplements are generally intended to complement healthy eating rather than replace it. Lifestyle habits matter just as much. Quality sleep supports overnight repair. Exercise promotes healthy circulation. Hydration supports normal cellular function. Daily sun protection helps reduce unnecessary damage to the skin. Avoiding smoking helps reduce oxidative stress that can affect healthy aging. All of these habits contribute to healthier-looking skin over time. One common misconception is believing that if a little biotin is good, much more must be even better. The body regulates nutrients according to its biological needs. Taking very large amounts does not necessarily produce greater benefits. For this reason, supplements should always be used thoughtfully and according to appropriate guidance. The most important insight is this. Biotin plays an important role in normal cellular function, and correcting a true deficiency can support healthy skin, hair, and nails. However, for people who already consume enough biotin, additional supplementation may not produce dramatic visible changes. Healthy appearance reflects the combined effects of balanced nutrition, hydration, sleep, physical activity, stress management, sun protection, appropriate skincare, and overall wellness. No single vitamin replaces these daily habits. Understanding biotin within that larger biological picture helps you evaluate claims more realistically and make informed decisions based on evidence rather than expectations. If you found this explanation helpful, subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based videos about skin science, healthy aging, nutrition, and the biological processes that influence how your body changes over time. You'll also find a helpful resource linked in the description where you can review additional information about one approach people are exploring to support healthy-looking skin from the inside, including its ingredients and how it may complement a complete skin wellness routine.